Welcome to Building Tips with Mr. Rock. We're going to cover a wide range of things, so why don't we look and see what we have to get started. Let's talk tables and chairs. So you're going to need a few different pieces for this. You're going to need these round 2x2 elements here. They come in very different colors depending on which classic kit you have, or even if you have other random kits that have them in it, that's a good place to find them. And then we have the little plate that looks just like it. We're going to need a bigger plate that's round, or half curved, quarter curved plate, whatever you prefer to do. And then we're probably going to need a couple one stud elements here. So first, what you want to do is take this piece that you have, and you're going to want to attach your round 2x2 element to give it some height. Okay, and then you have two choices. You either put this little one on to get that little bit of extra height to it, or you use your stud. Now you can use just studs if you want to do that, that's fine. And then another thing that you're going to need is one of these transition pieces. This will help you pull it away from the table and kind of get more centered where you want to have it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this stud here. You know, might as well use the same color, right? So we're going to do that, and it'll fit right in the center of that hole like so. And then it's going to attach on this. And then what you do is you stick it down on your plate wherever you want it to go. And hopefully it doesn't fall apart when you put it down. So you may have to build up from the bottom up. Okay, so now we have our table. Now the chairs are a little bit tricky. It depends on how you want to do it. Okay, so you can use a wide range of pieces. You can use these L-shaped pieces. You can use a 2x2 small plate to do it. You're probably going to need one of these decorative plates depending on which pieces you have available, because they do make one that comes in the kit that kind of looks like this. It's smooth on one side and then it has that over there. So you know, if you find one, then great. So what we're going to do is we're going to get another one of those transition pieces that I was talking about. We're going to need one of those. We're going to need a little stud. We're going to stack those two together. Now we're not going to go quite as high as the table, right? So we're going to have that there, and then you're going to have your round piece like so. All right, and that'll get us about halfway up, and then you're going to want to take that square piece, and then you can either put this on or not. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to take it off so I have more of like a bar stool, and then I'm going to sit it down on here like so. Now just this little height transition from here to here allows a minifig to sit at the table and be at the right height. Okay, see how it's the right height now. I hope you guys found that useful. So if you think of anything that you want to be creative on your table, I encourage you to do so. So until next tip.